ready to whip up the creamiest, dreamiest hummus ever? You're just 10 minutes away. All right, home cooks, grab a can of chickpeas, some fresh lemon juice, and tahini. Trust me, it's worth making it from scratch. First, blend up our tahini and lemon juice for a minute. This is the secret trick for extra creamy hummus. Next, add in minced garlic, ground cumin, and olive oil. Give it another whirl. Now it's chickpea time. Toss in half, blend, then the other half. Keep that food processor running until it's nice and smooth. Too thick? No worries. Just add some cold water, a little at a time, until it's perfect. Or, if you're feeling fancy, use aquafaba, the liquid from your chickpeas, for an ultra-fluffy texture. Taste it. Love it? Great. Serve with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of za'atar or paprika. There you have it, homemade hummus that's better than any store-bought. Enjoy with fresh veggies, pita, or just a spoon. Happy dipping.